Yes. Okay. Yeah. Good everyone. So I'm here to present um, an examination management system. So it has both software and hardware. Um, yeah. So this is the software. This is the login. This is the interface, and we have the hardware here. We also have the hardware machine here. So how it works is that um, the examination officer registers students on the portal. So I will be logging into the portal and the students are going to be registered using their fingerprint. So this system, the benefit of this system? This system is good for situations whereby we have a lot of students that want to verify into the exam hall. So we are used to the manner we, especially here in Nigeria, whereby we once students is going for exam, they hold like 3 to 4 receipts for people, their payment receipts, their course reg, and a lot of other papers, and even it takes time for that verification to be carried on. So imagine we have 100 students, imagine how long it will take for each officer to actually verify a student. But in case of a machine like this, just put in your fingerprint, the machine knows if you have paid, if you are qualified for that exam, and it just shows, it makes sound and it shows on the screen if you are right for that exam or you are a right candidate or not. And it reduces things like impersonation, forgery. There are a lot of times where students forge and impersonate to just sit for another person. So those processes can easily be done using technology like this. So I'll just be showing, I'll be demoing how this works. So right now, these machines also work with internet. It's IoT based. So I'll try to connect the machine. So you can turn on the machine by just putting this, plugging this. It uses a Type-C USB. So once it comes on, it uses internet. I'll be using this router for this configuration. Currently, this router is on. So the machine will be showing connecting to, meaning it is looking for internet to connect to. So so the machine has on its hotspot. So and it's going to show you. Can you see empty antennas machine? Empty antennas machine. So the machine I've shown here. So to run is hotspot, and from my Wi-Fi I can see it. So once I will now connect to the hotspot of this machine and configure the router I want to use. So I want to use this router. So I'll be putting this router on now. So then I'm going to click here. So once I click on this, so let me also connect my laptop to the internet. So we are using this router. The router is on Telic. I'm waiting for it to show up. So and for this, let's go to the interface for the this. Once I connect to this, it will show up an interface. You can see this. It show up an interface, empty attendance machine. I can configure the Wi-Fi. I can configure the router I want to use. So once this router is fully up, it will show you. I'll keep refreshing till I see the router. To show the router, you can see no network found. So once it shows up, I'll just connect to it. So let's wait for the router. So I think the router should go up now. Good. So the router is up. I'm also trying to connect my system. So here I'll click on the network, and I'm going to input the password. Save. So come and see here. So once it's connected successfully, here you see connected. So this device has connected. So now, before we now come back to this machine, let me just quickly show you the software. Let me go give you a brief about the software, because we'll be using the software for enrollment. We'll first enroll the students, then we start using this for attendance. We'll all do this in this video. So follow along side with me. So here we have the first page. You learn is all the students have registered, my name, my matric number, gender, finger ID, and the likes. The device, because this software is based like a SaaS software. You can use this same software for a lot of devices. So here we have manage students. Where you enroll students, we'll still come back to this. So I just want to show you the interface. We have students logs. This place shows all the logs of the students, the way students are entering examination and signing in, signing out. So it logs in the time. Here we have devices that shows all the devices. You can add new device. So we already have a device here called Mechatronics Engineering. It has a device unique ID number that is used to configure this hardware. So this device, this software gives a unique number that have to be configured with the hardware device. So we have the mode. So I would like to talk more about this. We have enrollment mode and attendance mode. So this mode, because normally if you are with the attendance machine now, let's imagine with an attendance machine, I put my finger. The machine needs to know, is this person here for enrollment, or is this person here for attendance? So the admin officer can easily set the mode over here. So let's do a sample of the mode. So now the green stands for the attendance mode, while the yellow stands for the enrollment mode. The red is just for turning, to show that this device is on, and it just come up when you put on the device. Once this device is connected to internet, it's only the mode light that will come up, so that we could save power. So now I'm going to change it to enrollment mode. So this bulb is going to change to yellow bulb, and this happens within a few seconds. Good internet. So yeah, so I just changed the mode to enrollment mode now, and the yellow bulb would come on. You can see that. So I can also change it back to attendance mode. If I change it back to the attendance mode, it's turns to, so if you put your finger here, the machine already knows that, okay, this person is here for attendance and not enrollment. So let's go to one of the most important part of this software. So let's the light change now, and we'll go to the examination management. Click on attendance, so it's going to come up, the green light will come up. You see, that's good. So now let's go to the examination interface. So, and this examination interface is where you had exams, because I told you that this software is about examination management. So as the exam officer, you can add exams, you can put the course title, the course code, and automatically it will save the dates, and you can turn on or turn off the exam if the exam is an actively going on exam or not. So if it is off and a student is enrolled for this exam, if you try to go and sign in or sign out, the student will not be able to sign in or sign out. So this helps in situations whereby the machine is not in care of the exam officer, something happened. You can easily control it from this software. So here we have assigned student. After you've created the exam, you can assign student to the exam. You can see these are available students. This student is already enrolled here. You can easily click on assign this student. You can assign this student. So automatically I've assigned that student to this exam. To show that assigned student, you can create new examination. So, and here we have the full year exam admin, where you can update your examination details, and we have the logout. So let's start the whole practical. So firstly, let's imagine you have the device now as the exam officer, you want to start operating it. Firstly, you have to come under devices, and you have to change the mode to enrollment mode, because now I want to enroll a new student. So now you see the light is changed to the yellow, and the attendance is ready for taking a finger. You've seen the screen will show place finger on the sensor. So now let's go to manage students. So after you've turned on the mode to enrollment mode, here you select the department. You know, I told you that this is a bit like a SaaS software. It can work for lot of departments, can work for a lot of scenarios. So you select the department, and but this is built for educational purpose mainly. It can be fine-tuned to work for other stuff. So fingerprint ID, you can just input any number, just a unique number to identify the finger. So you can see ID3 has been added here. Automatically the department and the gender, matric number, the name will be open. The status free, meaning the fingerprint status is going to be free, because nobody has registered their finger. So now we have Mr. Shegun here. Will be acting as our student for today. We'll be putting his finger into this machine, so we don't need this again for now. This is just for the connecting of the device. So we'll be putting his finger for enrollment now. So yeah, let's put one of his finger. So it shows remove finger. So remove your finger, then put your finger again. So it's just 2 times. So if the finger match, so fingerprint stored. So fingerprint has been added. So we come to the screen here now. The status of the fingerprint is going to show to added. Can you see that the status changed to added in real time without refreshing? So it was to use it's a real time software. So now Mr. Shegun has enrolled. So now let me now say I've not added Mr. Shegun to any exam. Let's say I just enrolled Mr. Shegun, and Mr. Shegun doesn't believe because I've enrolled him, can just go to any exam and go and attend any exam he likes. So that won't work because I've not enrolled him in any exam. So let me first go and change the mode to attendance mode now, and let's see Mr. Shegun trying to like hijack our system. So let's change it to attendance. So we will have to wait for it. So the green light will let you know that this system is already ready for attendance. So we'll have to wait for the light to change. So now that has changed, and it's waiting for Mr. Shegun's finger. So typing. So say processing, you can remove your hand. Can you see? These are not registered for the exam. So this is not registered for an exam. So now let's go to the examination part. So let's go to an examination part. So let me just enroll Mr. Shegun in this exam that is not active. Okay, before I even do that, no, we've added Mr. Shegun's exam. Let's forget. We've added Mr. Shegun's finger. But how will the software know this is Mr. Shegun? So we have to update his details and put his name here. So surname Fabi Oluwasegun. Yeah. Then we'll put his matric number. Let's see. /2020/what? 2012. So then you click on, okay, hold on, I have to select him here. Sorry. So firstly you have to select the person you want to, the fingerprint you want to update the details. Then you input the name. Fabi Oluwasegun. Then input is matric number MT/2020. Then click on update. Automatically the details would update here in real time. You can see I know Fabi Oluwasegun and everything. So now he's now a student. He's now a student, and even though he's still a student, he can't still even use the machine because I'm not assigned to any exam. So let's Mr. Shegun try it. So processing. So not enrolled on any active exam. I see not enrolled in any active exam. So Mr. Shegun is not still. So this machine handles all edge cases and it's fully secure. So it's so now let me add Mr. Shegun to an exam, and it operates on its own. Now this exam is an inactive exam. It's not yet active. But I said, okay, Mr. Shegun is coming for this paper. Let me assign Mr. Shegun. So here I've assigned Mr. Shegun to this exam now. And yeah, I've assigned it an exam, but the exam is not active. So we should not be able to still mark attendance. So now let me go to this. Let me talk about the student log, because this part is linked to the student log. Student log shows all the logs of the student as they are signing out of the attendance. So you can see that Mr. Shegun's name is not here because he's still not yet assigned to an active exam. So let him try to sign in again. Processing. So can you see not enrolled in any active exam? So Mr. Shegun is still not yet in any active exam. Even though he has been assigned to an exam, the exam is not happening today. So now let's imagine today is the examination day. Let me change the status of this exam to active. The status of this exam is active. I don't need to do anything. So let's imagine today's exam. Mr. Shegun will just go to the examination or something. Yeah, let's Mr. Shegun try it now. Processing. Can you see? Welcome, Fabi Oluwasegun. Then we good. It makes a very straight sound and shows okay, this person is fully verified. And now let's check the student log. So Mr. Shegun is now our bona fide student that is bona fide to take exam. He has timing. He timed in around 3:05. You can see the time is very, very accurate. 3:05, and in seconds you time it. So with this, the examination officer can even know the number of students that have even signed in. The number, because there are a lot of times, sometimes students will go inside the exam, come out, go in, come out. With this kind of system, the exam officer can know the number of times students come out and go in. I can know the exact time students come into the examination. We have situation whereby invigilator complain that you people started the exam 8 p.m. you are finishing 10 p.m. Whereas all our verification process took 1 hour. We got into the examination hall 9 a.m. and we are just given 1 hour to do the exam. This kind of software, if the examination officer wants to investigate or come in, they can easily know when we all signed in, when the whole verification process finished, and things like, in fact, there will not be anything like wasting of time. Verification process that do take 1 hour will take, because you guys, if he signed in now with less than 2 seconds, he can also sign out. When he wants to sign out, there's nothing like lining up, pushing of each other. Let him sign out. Let him sign out. Processing, remove your finger. You see, goodbye, Fabi Oluwasegun. Come here. Automatically, it will save. Actually, I save the timeout. And that's how it works. It's very, 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 very simple. And if you come other students, you will see, or you see Mr. Fabi Oluwasegun. So that's all for this presentation. Thank you, everyone. How do you see the system? What do you think about it?
I see it as a very reliable and a very distinguished project, because really writing examinations traditionally or conventionally now has been really very there's been a really big stress around it, and with this, especially the elimination of the late verification processes, I think with this it's just a go for me. So, and I think it's a project.
I believe with this now, you will not get tired
assign
before we
with.
even get into exam.
Yeah, I'm telling you, and we know you didn't sign out, you didn't take the exams.
Exactly.
I think
Things like
I think this project is very reliable and dependable.
attendance is not
Yes,
reaching me, all this kind of stuff.
so stuff like that.
Yeah, that's just it. So let's hear you guys review. Thank you for watching.